My name is Colby Shelhorse, and I did my project on composite decking versus treated timber decking. In my project, I researched different areas of each one in order to determine which one would be the better choice overall. The first area I want to discuss is the background of each. Composite decking use has been increasing in the United States over the last decade. It is made up of a combination of different materials such as wood, fiber, and plastic. Composite decking usually comes in widths of 5.5 and a thickness of 5/4. You can buy this type of decking in just about any length to suit your needs. Treated timber decking has been around for many years. Treated decking is cut from various pines and hardwoods. Then it is put through a treatment process which allows it to be exposed to weather. Most of the time, treated decking comes in widths of 5.5 and a thickness of 5/4 and comes in various lengths to suit your needs. The second area I want to discuss is the cost of composite decking and treated timber decking. At my local hardware store and lumberyard, English Incorporated, I priced a piece of Trex composite decking 16 foot long. This piece cost $40. This would mean that the Trex would cost $2.50 per linear foot. I figured the cost for the composite decking board for a 10 by 16 deck, and it came to $880. Also at my local hardware store and lumberyard, English Incorporated, I priced a 16 foot piece of premium treated decking. This piece cost $12.97. This would mean that it would cost 81 cents per linear foot. I figured the cost for the treated decking boards for a 10 by 16 deck, and it came to $285.34. I figured this cost by taking your width of your deck, which is 120 inches, and dividing it by the width of the board. That then gives you how many boards you will need. Then I times the number of boards by the cost of each. This cost comparison shows that treated decking is a lot cheaper than composite decking. The next area I want to discuss is the installation of both types of decking. Composite decking is usually installed with something as simple as a screw, such as a trapeze screw. They also make small pieces that can be installed in between each piece of decking, which allows for the correct spacing and hidden fasteners. This way you do not see the screw head in the board. Treated timber decking is simply just put down with some type of coated screw or nail. Another area I want to discuss is the durability and strength of both types of decking. Composite decking is weather resistant, stain resistant, and will not splinter or rot. It does not have knots like treated timber. For this reason, it is always smooth. Some downsides of composite decking are they can become slippery when wet. They are not resistant to mold and mildew, and it can also fade in color. Composite decking can sag and bend more than wood. On the other hand, treated lumber can tend to warp, twist, and bend over time, although it is less likely to sag and can be very strong if used right. Treated lumber needs to be treated every few years to last. The next area I want to discuss is the aesthetics of both types of decking. Composite decking can come in many different colors. They have a variety so that you can match it to other things around the house. Most of the composite decking has a smooth side and a side with a wood grain texture. Treated decking is most of the time made from some type of pine wood. It can be also cut from other types of wood. It is darker than regular non-treated wood because of the treatment process. It can be stained in order to alter the color of the decking. The last area I want to discuss is maintenance. Composite decking is low maintenance. It does not require any type of treatment. You can clean it simply with some type of cleaning product and a brush or pressure washer. Treated decking requires more upkeep. It needs to be treated every few years with some type of stain or water repellent in order for it to last. In conclusion, I have come to the decision that composite decking is the better choice in the long run. I work at English Incorporated, which is a hardware store and lumberyard, and I have seen what treated lumber can do when it's exposed to the weather. It warps and twists very easy. Treated decks also require more maintenance. Composite decking does not require a lot of maintenance in order to keep it looking good. It is simple to install. A composite deck may cost more than a treated deck, but I feel that it will outlast the treated lumber. Also, you have to figure in what it's going to cost to treat a treated lumber deck. I also like the fact of composite decking that you can get any color you want in order to match things around your house. So overall, my choice would be composite decking. Thank you.